Hey, everybody. I wanted to follow up on a conversation that I've been having here lately. I recently did a hiring class at Vision 2023 in Kansas City, and one of it was building, or the class was building confidence in behavioral interviewing. So there's two questions that I wanted to have you ask, and then there's something else I want you to do special. Number one, I want you to ask. Um, what would you like to make? Number 2, I want you to ask, what would you feel comfortable with? And then finally, number 3, I want you to take a blank sheet of paper and a pen, slide it across to the potential employee. I want you to tell them you're going to be back in 5 minutes, but I want you to tell them, you write me a job offer that you think is agreeable. I'll be back in 5 minutes. We'll review it and go from there. Simple as that. You find out what their ceiling is, what they're comfortable with, and then finally you let them write the offer. Something new, something that we're trying. It's working really, really good so far. So try that. Go down in the comments. Let me know what you think and see how it is. I wish you lots of success. Have a great day, everybody.